Get ready because the tech world is moving at lightning speed, and you need to be plugged in. This is Qualcomm Pulse, and we're diving headfirst into the stories that are shaping our future right now. We've got game-changing announcements, strategic power plays, and crucial insights that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. From market-shaking industry analyses to the cutting edge of AI and cloud infrastructure, we're breaking down the biggest developments. Don't blink, because the next big thing is happening as we speak, and we're here to give you the inside scoop. Stay with us, you won't want to miss a single second of this essential update. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know. A chipmaker's climb, the contender to Nvidia's crown. This is a critical moment in the semiconductor industry, where innovation and market positioning are everything. We're talking about a company that Oppenheimer, a respected financial analyst firm, has identified as the clear number 2 player in a field currently dominated by Nvidia. This isn't just about rankings, it's about understanding the strategic shifts and technological advancements that are allowing this number 2 player to challenge the established leader. What does this mean for the future of high-performance computing, AI development, and the broader tech landscape? We'll unpack the data, explore the competitive dynamics, and analyze what this means for businesses and consumers alike. Get ready to learn about the company that's quietly, but powerfully, redefining the chip market and what its ascent signifies for the next wave of technological breakthroughs. VMware Explore 2025, Redefining Private Cloud and AI. Welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse, where we dissect the most impactful tech news. Today, we're diving deep into the announcements from VMware Explore, specifically focusing on the groundbreaking revelations from Broadcom's leadership. Hock, CEO of Broadcom, kicked off the keynote by declaring private cloud infrastructure as the future of it, with VMware at its core. He emphasized how VMware Cloud Foundation, or VCF, is set to unify compute, network, and storage, positioning VCF 9 as the bedrock for next-generation IT solutions. Tan highlighted the significant industry momentum driven by a cloud reset, fueled by AI, cost concerns, and privacy issues, signaling a strong return to private cloud. He elaborated on VMware's mission to bridge the gap between it and developers, streamlining experiences, especially for Gen AI. VCF 9, described as the modern private cloud, is the culmination of immense engineering effort and boasts over 8,000 IP patents. With 9 out of 10 Fortune companies already running VCF and over 100 million core licenses sold since the acquisition, customer adoption is massive. Tan stressed that VCF 9 unifies VM and containerized applications, including AI workloads, on a single platform, drastically reducing costs and offering critical developer services. Paul Turner, VP of VCF Products, underscored vSphere's legacy and introduced VCF 9's new features, including native S3 object storage for VSAN, expanding its data support to file, block, and object, creating a unified storage layer. A strategic alliance with Canonical was announced, integrating Ubuntu, the leading cloud OS, directly into VCF, offering a bespoke, efficient, and secure version of Ubuntu optimized for AI and GPU workloads. Sabina Anya demonstrated VCF's capability for developer autonomy, while Chris Wolf detailed private AI as a service, noting that over 70% of enterprises plan to run AI models on private clouds due to cost, privacy, and compliance. Wolf also addressed GPU underutilization, stating VCF can help, as virtualized GPUs achieve 99% of bare metal performance with added benefits like vMotion. He announced support for Blackwell GPUs and AMD Instinct MI350 series, alongside VMware's partnership with AMD for LLM fine-tuning and inference. Tasha Drew provided a tour of private AI services and announced VCF Advanced Cyber Compliance. Paul concluded by discussing VCF's role in mitigating cyberattacks and securing the foundation for the future. The event also highlighted the VMUG community and the value of the vExpert program, underscoring the collaborative spirit within the VMware ecosystem. Ultimately, Broadcom is positioning VCF 9 not just as a product, but as the foundational platform for the next era of data center architecture. Keep watching for more insights from VMware Explore. as we break down the critical strategies and technologies shaping the future of IT infrastructure and AI deployment. Broadcom's Q3 Fiscal 2025, powering the AI semiconductor surge. This is Qualcomm Pulse, bringing you the latest in the business and technology sectors. Today, we're zeroing in on Broadcom's performance in Q3 of fiscal year 2025, a period that underscores its pivotal role in the booming semiconductor market, particularly driven by the insatiable demand for AI capabilities. Broadcom has solidified its position not just as a component supplier, but as a strategic powerhouse enabling the very infrastructure that fuels the AI revolution. The company's financial results for the quarter reflect a robust demand for its advanced semiconductor solutions, which are critical for everything from data centers powering cloud services to the specialized hardware required for complex AI computations. This strong performance is a testament to Broadcom's strategic focus on high-growth areas, especially those related to artificial intelligence and networking. As more businesses integrate AI into their operations, the need for powerful, efficient, and reliable chips escalates, and Broadcom appears to be perfectly positioned to meet this demand. Their product portfolio, which includes custom-designed chips for hyperscale customers and networking solutions that are essential for high-speed data transfer, is directly benefiting from the widespread adoption of AI technologies. Analysts are closely watching how Broadcom navigates the complexities of the global supply chain and continues to innovate in a rapidly evolving market. The company's ability to deliver cutting-edge technology while managing production and distribution effectively is key to its sustained success. Furthermore, Broadcom's strategic acquisitions and partnerships are likely to play a significant role in expanding its market reach and technological capabilities, especially in the competitive AI hardware space. The sustained growth observed in Q3 suggests that Broadcom's strategic investments are paying off, positioning it as a key enabler of the digital transformation driven by AI. The company's financial health and market leadership are crucial indicators of the broader trends in the technology sector, highlighting the immense opportunities and challenges presented by the ongoing AI boom. As the demand for AI solutions continues to accelerate, Broadcom's role as a critical provider of the underlying semiconductor technology becomes even more pronounced, making its quarterly performance a significant bellwether for the industry's trajectory. Stay tuned as we continue to track the financial and strategic moves of key players in the tech industry, with more updates coming your way from Qualcomm Pulse. Securing the AI frontier, VMware's cyber resilience strategy. Welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse, where we keep you ahead of the curve. Today, we're diving into a critical conversation about cybersecurity in the age of artificial intelligence, featuring insights from Broadcom's Vijay Ramachandran. As AI becomes more integrated into business strategies, ensuring the security, governance, and rapid recovery of private AI models is paramount. Ramachandran emphasizes that compliance and resilience must be intrinsic to AI strategy, not just an afterthought. He states that VMware provides customers with the tools to prove their security to auditors, focusing on the mechanisms and tools to protect data and workloads, especially against new AI-specific threats. The challenge of protecting AI models is amplified by the wide distribution of data and evolving regulatory standards, demanding continuous compliance checks and real-time remediation. VMware is extending its endpoint detection and recovery capabilities to hypervisors, offering broader protection. Ramachandran warns that in the age of AI, data loss can occur through simple, incorrect prompts, and malicious actors can exploit these vulnerabilities to compromise entire infrastructures. VMware's goal is to protect against both traditional and emerging threat vectors. The discussion, which took place at VMware Explore and was broadcast on theCUBE, highlights the complexities of protecting private AI models amidst changing data landscapes and regulatory environments. The need for real-time security measures is highlighted, contrasting with the traditional quarterly audit cycles. VMware's approach integrates security directly into its platform, aiming to provide a robust defense against sophisticated cyber threats. This proactive stance is crucial for organizations relying on AI for critical operations and sensitive data processing. The partnership between Qualcomm Pulse and theCUBE in covering these events ensures that vital information on AI security and infrastructure resilience is shared with the wider tech community. Broadcom's sponsorship of this segment underscores the importance of these discussions in the current technological landscape. Next up, we'll wrap up our top stories with a quick recap and a look at what's coming next. Don't go anywhere. And that's a wrap on today's Essential Tech Updates. We saw a major chip maker rising to challenge the top spot, Broadcom redefining private cloud and AI with VMware, the company's strong Q3 performance fueling AI demand, and a deep dive into securing the AI frontier. Don't miss out on the next big thing. Hit that like button, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse, ring the notification bell, drop a comment below, and follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. We'll see you next time.